Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all safe and enjoying YouTube lessons of Sangli Shikshan Sanstha Sangli. Now here is the third poem from your textbook, Basketful of Moonlight, from page number 70. Open your book and look at it. First, warming up activities are there. Chit Chat quiz first. Did you like to hear bedtime stories when you were a child? The question is asked to you. Do you like? If you like, you can say yes. If you don't, then you can give the answer no also. Both the answers are accepted here. So the answer will be yes. I liked to listen to the bedtime stories when I was a child, or no, I never liked the bedtime stories when I was a child. Now the second question, who usually told you the bedtime stories? Usually mother, father, granny, grandpa, they used to tell you the bedtime stories. The third question, why did you like them? The simple answer, I like the bedtime stories because they have the moral. Through these stories, animals and birds give us the proper message. And so that's why we like these stories. The fourth question, do you still like to hear those stories again? Though you are grown up now, still anybody, the grown up, the small ones, everyone likes to listen to the bedtime stories. So here completes our chit chat activity. Another activity is there from page number 70. Discuss in groups about the procedure of planting a tree. Write the steps in bullet points and present it before the class. This question is also important because you can write the answer in flow chart. Flow chart writing is for writing skill for 5 marks from your question paper. So here we have to write the procedure of planting the trees. Very simple. What will you do first? You will choose the healthy seed. You will choose the proper place to plant the tree. Then you will dig out the ditch to plant the tree. Then the plantation will be done. You will water them carefully. You will water the plant carefully. You will take care of it carefully. And it's the procedure, simple procedure of a planting tree. Okay. Now there is again the second activity. Discuss in pairs and write what your father and mother do for your family. Very simple. Father's and mother's role is very important for us. Fathers and mother's role is very important in our life. They do various things for us. Mother cooks food. She takes care of us. She takes care of grown-up persons from the family. She washes the clothes. She scrubs the dishes. Cleaning is the major job, and she does it with a very happily. The same, the father also plays an important role in our life. He earns the money for family. He gives us all kinds of comforts. He buys things from the market. He does all kinds of shopping from the market. And so here is this activity about writing the family's role, the grown-up person's role from our family. Okay. Now turn the page and look at page number 18. Here starts the poem, Basket Full of Moonlight. Dear students, can anybody fill up the moonlight into a basket? No, it is not possible for us to fill up the basket with the moonlight. It's very impossible. So why the title is given like this? Let's find it out. It's a nice poem by Sunil Sharma. Actually, the poem is written in Dogri language. Generally, the Dogri language is spoken in Jammu Kashmir area or the Himalayan area. The poem is translated here for you and I am reading it out first for you. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two basketful. with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. A very nice poem. It also gives a kind of message to us. So go through the lines. Are you ready? Okay. So, oh moon, give me moonlight. Basket full or 2 baskets full with seeds of moonlight. The poet is talking to a moon and he asks for the seeds of moonlight. He wants the seeds of moonlight, a basketful or 2 basketful. What may be the reason behind it? Why the boy in the poem, why the narrator, why the poet wants the moon's seeds? The answer is given in the further stanzas. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. So, both sides of the roads, he want to sow the seeds of moon. The narrator is thinking that if he sows the seeds of moonlight to the both sides of the road, what will happen? The plant will grow and the plant will flourish. The plant will bloom with the moonlight. That is the concept of the narrator behind these lines. I want to sow many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. Very possible, because they have to earn the money for their families. So the whole village go to the city to earn the money. And it becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The poet, the narrator tells us that the distance between city and village is quite far. And so it takes time, a lot of time to travel from the city to village. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. How is the route? The route has full of dangers. It is very tough. It has full of snakes and scorpions. So the child, the narrator, gets afraid due to this. Neither bus nor cart plies. How inconvenient it is. There are no buses to travel. There are no carts facility to travel. So it takes a lot of time while traveling from the village to the city and again to the returning journey from the city to the village. When my father returns home, I am asleep. The father returns home. He is very tired, but the narrator is unable to meet his father because at that time he himself has asleep. The further lines, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. And again for the work, Father gets up early in the morning, gets prepared, and again leaves the house for the city. That time too, the narrator is sleeping. So there is not a proper meeting, there is not a proper communication between the father and his son. The son, the narrator, is unable to share the fun he had the whole day with his father. He can't communicate with his father, and that is the pain, real pain of the narrator. So, moon, give me a basket of moonlight. So, oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. The narrator is talking to moon. If you are not able to give me the free of cost moonlight, then at least consent my loan. I want to light the dark route. Here is the purpose. Why the poet is asking for the moonlight to the moon? Because he wants to plant these moonlight to the both sides of the paths. Why? Because the path is very dangerous. The route is very dangerous. It has much scorpions, snakes on the way. And so the poet wants to light that dark route so that my father returns early. If the route is safe, if the route has enough light, then my father can return more earlier. That's the feeling of the narrator. So that my father returns early, I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Why I want my father early at my home? Because I want to listen to the bedtime stories from my father only. Oh moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. On the sides, both sides of the path, if I plant the seeds of the moon, these seeds once will grow and become into a big tree. They will bloom with the light. The root can become lightened, and so that's why my father can return home early. I will be able to communicate with him. That is a kind of a little story was hidden in his poem. Dear children, the English workshop is given under it and you have to solve it. But the major question to write the appreciation of the poem. So very simple. What is the title of the poem? Basket Full of Moonlight. Who is the poet? Sunil Sharma. Special feature. It is actually the poem is in a Dogri language, which is translated into English, and the poet is talking to the moon. So these are the features. What is the rhyming scheme? Can you find any rhyming scheme here? No, it's in free verse. And the figure of speeches, you can find there small moons of light. The word small is repeatedly occurred there, and so the repetition is there, and then snakes and scorpions, repeatedly S sound is occurred there, and actually, due to this, alliteration, figure of speech is there, alliteration. So here was a poem for you. It is really a very nice poem. Enjoy it, solve the exercise. Thank you. काय म्हणताय मुलांनो, कसे आहात? छान मस्त ना? सांगली शिक्षण संस्था सांगली या नावानं आपलं यूट्यूब चॅनल एव्हानं सुरू झालेलं आहे. ते नक्की सबस्क्राईब करा आणि त्या सबस्क्राईबच्या शेजारी एक बेल बटन दिसतंय, बेल आयकॉन दिसतं राईट ना, ते क्लिक करा म्हणजे पुढची नोटिफिकेशन्स तुम्हाला लगेच मिळत राहतील.